I'm about to ask you something important. Have you ever wondered how many decisions in your life you've made simply because you didn't believe in yourself? How often do you doubt yourself? How often do you shelve your dreams thinking, I'm not ready, or I can't do this? Believing in yourself isn't just a feel-good mantra. It's the foundation of success. It's what separates the dreamers who take action from those who stay stuck in hesitation. Without it, even the most talented people freeze, procrastinate, and quit before they even start. Picture this. You've got an amazing idea, a business plan, a personal goal. But instead of diving in, doubts creep up. What if I fail? What will people think? Maybe I should wait until I'm more prepared. Sound familiar? These thoughts are normal, but dangerous. They're mental roadblocks that stop you before you even try. Now think about this. Every success story starts with someone willing to take a leap of faith, despite their fears. Take Elon Musk. He could have retired after PayPal and lived comfortably forever. Instead, he risked everything on Tesla and SpaceX, both ventures that experts said would fail. Tesla almost went bankrupt. SpaceX had multiple rocket disasters, but Musk's belief in his vision kept him going. And today, he's reshaped entire industries. Or Michael Jordan, cut from his high school basketball team, a moment that would have crushed most people. Instead of giving up, he trained harder than ever and proved that success isn't just about talent, it's about grit and self-belief. It's important to distinguish between self-confidence and self-belief. These are two different concepts. Confidence is based on experience. If you've been doing something for years, you naturally feel confident in your abilities. Belief, on the other hand, exists before experience. It's the conviction that you will figure things out along the way, even if you don't have all the answers right now. When starting something new, confidence might be out of reach, but belief is always a choice. It pushes you to take that first step and grow into someone who will eventually feel confident. More often, our doubts stem from external influences. Maybe your parents dismissed your ambitions. Maybe teachers compared you unfavorably to others. Maybe friends mocked your ideas instead of supporting them. These experiences plant seeds of doubt that grow into a loud inner critic saying things like, "You're not good enough," "You'll never succeed," or "Why bother trying?" But here's the thing. No one knows your potential better than you. Only you can decide whether to stay stuck or move forward. So how to build unshakable self-belief? Surround yourself with supportive people. Your environment matters more than you think. Spend time with people who lift you up, friends, mentors, or online communities, and let their encouragement fuel your own belief. Celebrate small wins. Self-belief doesn't happen overnight. It grows through small victories. Set tiny goals. Finish a project early, exercise for 10 minutes daily, read one book this month, and prove to yourself what you're capable of. Reframe failure as growth. Mistakes aren't proof of inadequacy. They're stepping stones forward. Science shows failure rewires your brain for improvement. Every stumble teaches something valuable if you're willing to learn from it. Challenge negative thoughts. When self-doubt whispers, "I can't do this," reframe it. "I don't know how yet, but I'll figure it out." Take action before you feel ready. The fastest way to build belief? Do something, even if it scares you. Every step forward strengthens your trust in yourself, and soon enough, action becomes second nature. Believing in yourself isn't optional, it's essential. Henry Ford nailed it when he said, "Whether you think you can or think you can't, you're right." So start now. Set bold goals and take messy action toward them every day. Trust me, you are capable of far more than you realize, but only if you believe.